thank you for presenting the bones that I asked for. And you are right, the head of the femur, let us hide others, is a very obvious landmark right there. So there's the head, nice and prominent. I personally like the trochanters, but I'll give you your head as being an easy landmark. And I quite agree with the pubic and ischial rami. So that's where the ischial ramus ends. That's where the pubic ramus begins. Yeah, I can't tell where they begin and end. I swear the person that colored this just made it up. That's why I like the superior pubic rami better. And here's the acetabulum. I love saying acetabulum, so it really is a cool landmark. It just rolls off the tongue. So there's the acetabulum, and this is actually connective tissue that goes around it. And yeah, this is the patella. Very boring. It just is. Cool fact, if you lay it down with the apex away from you, it falls to the side it's on. Not cool fact? Okay. Yeah, it's a boring bone. So thank you for presenting your bones.